Hey guys, Joey Image here with another tech unboxing for you. Now, a couple of weeks ago, if you follow my channel, you saw me do an unboxing and a demo of this microphone right here. It's a lapel mic. It's by Fifine technology. So today I've got another Fifine microphone for you right here. This is a full-size desk mic, for streaming, podcasting, interviews, recording, any kind of audio recording. So I'm going to unbox this right now. It only came in this box, overboxed in an Amazon shipping box. So I'm going to show this to you right now. I have not opened this yet. It's actually been at my house for about a week or so. I've been on vacation, so I just got back a couple days ago, so I haven't actually seen any of this yet. Again, just like this mic, there's a bookmark in here, which is interesting. Here's the user's guide. Model number is T669. So actually, you can see the picture of it right there. It comes with the pop filter, the microphone itself, obviously, and a full arm, which is a very cool deal. Here's the pop filter. All right. I love the fact that this actually comes with the mic arm. I've never purchased a microphone that came with one. I've only, I got mine as a gift. Here we go. All right. So this little bad boy is a rubber mat for the inside of the pop filter. Right. You get that. Okay. Here's the other pop. I forgot what these are called. There's an actual name for this, pop cover I call it, but that's not correct. For the microphone itself, here we've got a simple USB cable for the mic. Here is the shock mount for the mic, and here is the arm. It is in pieces, obviously, and you need to build it or construct it. Again, I'm very impressed that this even comes with this. Goes this way, then the microphone goes on here. So I like this a lot already because, again, it comes with the arm. So let me just kind of put this together for you. I'm actually just I'm at my kitchen table. I'm just gonna clip it onto the table for now. Here's the clip. Come on, buddy. Come on out. Oh, it's jammed into the styrofoam packaging here. But there's the clip for it right there. Here we go. So this just goes onto your desk, and then you can adjust the height of the actual mic arm itself. But let me just loosen this up a little bit. It's got the rubber. Let me actually loosen this a little bit first before I show you that. There we go. So as you can see on the bottom right there, it's got the rubber foot, which is great. Won't damage your desk, won't scratch it or anything like that. I like to put this on first so it's held in place. So again, I'm just going to put this right on my kitchen table here. All right, so there's that. What? I didn't say anything. Alexa over there is talking to me. All right, so now where's the actual, here we go. This is not, actually, this is a tripod. I didn't expect this. So I'm looking for, this is actually upside down, but here is a tripod that I did not know that this came with. So I can put the mic right into that as well. I like that a lot. I'm very surprised it came with that tripod, actually. I was not expecting that. So here is the arm itself, and then you unscrew this. Come on, buddy. There we go, and the arm just sits right in there like so. And so you can loosen this if you want to move it around or tighten it up to leave it the way it is. Here's the microphone itself. There's the USB port right at the bottom. And then here's where it plugs into the arm. Here's the actual mic, obviously. So again, this little tripod will plug right into here. I like this. I didn't know it came with this. So let me just show you that for a second. Come on, buddy. Righty, tighty, lefty. Not tighty. All right, so anyway, I'm not going to screw it on all the way, but you get the point, right? So it sits in the tripod this way, and then I can loosen it or tighten it like that. So I can have it this way if I want. This is really cool. I didn't know it came with this tripod. This is very, very awesome. I'm very impressed with this kit already. All right, so you've got the volume control right there on the front of the mic. There's your USB connector at the bottom. Put this on here like so. Actually, it would sit right in here. So this will go on first, which is the shock mount, depending on which way you want it. You can adjust all of this. So you could theoretically put it sitting straight out if you want, or facing down, or facing up. Let me see actually the best way to fit this in here. I guess it doesn't matter because it goes in either way. I can change it around if I want. So for now, I'm just going to do it head on. Apply directly to the forehead. There we go. I'm actually surprised I screwed it in the correct way. Alright, so you get the point there. I'm going to just tighten this just for the sake of this video. I'm trying to not take too long, and I apologize if I am doing that. So the shock mount goes in that way, and I don't know where this goes now, because now what does this screw into? So what a smart guy does is look at all this beforehand. It actually, I mean, according to the picture, it just kind of sits in there. Aha! There we go. So this has to come off. I did not even think about that. So it's got a, I forget what you call these. The little, kind of like a nut bolt kind of thing at the bottom there. So you put that. Here we go. So that kind of just tightens right on. The other piece right there, that little mount deal, I'm thinking that is just for if you're using the tripod, because this will plug right into the tripod, and then this is if you want to put the mic up or down. All right, so there goes that. Now it's on there correctly. That's where the USB goes, and I will loosen this so I can turn it, and it's right here. Hey guys, how you doing? I know you can't hear anything because this is not plugged in. So now we are right here. Or we can move it down, and now we're here. So what's going on, folks? You like my new mic? I know you can't hear anything through it because it's not plugged into nothing. So that's the basic construction. Again, the USB cable is right here. That's the construction of it. Oh, I forgot about the pop filter. There we go, there we go. So the inside, the little tightener deal in the pop filter is actually shaped the same as this part of the arm. So you know that it will be correct, it'll fit, and it really doesn't matter which way you put it in there. So this is not screwed in all the way for time reasons. Anyway, so here we go. So this way I've got it like this, like if I'm doing a podcast where you don't really need to see me or see my face or see my surroundings or whatever, you could just do it this way. Hey guys, how the hell are you? And then if you want to flip it over, we can go like this. Put the pop filter right up here above it, and blah, blah, blah. How are you? What's going on? So that's the basic construction of this. I'm going to now take this all apart, and we are going to connect this to my PC, and I will give you a demo of how it sounds. I'm sure it's going to sound great because the lapel mic sounds great, and it's made by the same manufacturer. So guys, give me a few minutes. It'll be zero time for you, but it'll be a few minutes for me to kind of disassemble all this, bring it into my home office, get my PC set up, get OBS running, and we will do an audio demonstration of this. Thanks guys, hang out for another 0 seconds. All right, we're all set up here. I hope you can hear me okay. I hope this sounds all right. Just for the purpose of this demo video, I'm just going to have this connected right here on my desk, right next to me, which is not where it would be permanently. It would be down more, so I've got room for my arms and such. But anyway, as you saw earlier, very easy to connect, very easy to hook up. I kind of dig the mic itself. Like, I like the way it looks, like that, without the extra filter on it. So I feel like I'm pretty good with this one pop filter. Everything's been set up, everything's connected. You can obviously hear me. The volume on the microphone itself is at about 75%. And as I said earlier, I usually control the volume through Windows. This is just plugged in default, by the way. I haven't gone into the settings or properties and actually done anything or changed any settings or any of that stuff. So this is just the default settings, the default hookup. I hope it sounds okay. I'm going to listen back before I put this online, although I'm just going to put it online anyway. I'm not really going to redo it or anything like that. Anyway, guys, I hope this video was informative and maybe helped you out a little bit. And like I said, there will be a picture of this at the end of the video. All right, so I cut that off and I listened back to it. It sounds a lot better the way it is now, obviously at a higher volume. But the mic itself is still at 75%, and I just kind of raised my microphone volume a little bit in OBS to record this, and I think we're good. Man, it sounds good. It looks good. It's I like the fact that it's all black and comes with the arm. It just kind of sits right here. It matches a lot of my other stuff around my desk, which is black also, so I like that. If I actually get the chance to build my basement into a giant streaming slash filming slash podcasting studio, as I'm hoping to do, this mic will probably go down there. But anyway, that's another video for another day. Guys, thanks for watching. Please check me out on all social media platforms at Joey Image TV. I will have the link for this in the video description down below. Remember, Fifine technology. And I hope you dug this. I hope this was informative for you. And if you're in the market for a microphone, I can definitely recommend this one, or even the lapel mic that I was using earlier. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video.